Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which is grafting is almost impossible in case of monocots because they lack option A cambium, option B ground tissue, option C vascular bundle, option D parenchymatous cells. Now let us understand the question. The question says grafting is almost impossible in case of monocots because they lack. So first of all, we have to understand what is grafting. So what is grafting? Grafting is a technique where we try to attach two different parts of plants and make them to grow on, like you have the root system of one plant with a little bit of the stem and the shoot system of the other plant. So you place the stem of both the plants in one on the other and you tie it there. Okay. And at the junction, the tissue will multiply, the cells will divide and multiply in number, and that is how you get they get fixed, like the attached part will get fixed and they will start growing as a single plant. That is what is grafting. And for grafting we usually need a tissue which is known as cambium tissue. Okay, so what is grafting? Grafting is nothing but attaching two different parts of two different parts onto each other. Okay, attaching two different parts, and this actually needs the tissue called as cambium tissue, which has the regeneration capacity. Okay, cambium tissue. Why? Because this has regeneration capacity. Okay, because of its regeneration capacity, the entire, that is the both the part, the upper part and the lower part, or the upper stem and the lower stem, they get attached. Okay, like this, one above the other. So here in this region, in the attachment region, they will grow. Okay, then further the growth will continue. So that is what is grafting. Now it is almost impossible in case of monocots. So what are monocots? Monocots are the plants which contains one cotyledon. Mono means one and cots are nothing but a cotyledon. So they consist of single cotyledons. Cotyledons. Okay, they consist of single cotyledons. Okay, now these lack cambium tissue. Hence the regeneration capacity will not be there. Okay, these lack cambium tissue. So that is why grafting is not possible in this case. So let us look at the option. Option A says cambium. So yes, they lack cambium. So that should be the right answer. Option B says ground tissue. What do you mean by ground tissue? These are nothing but the simple tissues, which include like parenchymatous cells, parenchyma, sclerenchyma, okay, sclerenchyma. Okay, then you have parenchyma, sclerenchyma. So all the simple tissue that comes under ground tissue. So of course, the monocots contain ground tissue. So hence it is ruled out. Option C says vascular bundle. Yes, they do contain vascular bundle, and they usually contain actually, monocots are, the characteristic of monocots is that they contain scattered vascular tissue. Okay, scattered vascular tissue. Okay, so hence option C is also ruled out because we are looking for the characteristic which is not there in monocots. So option C is ruled out. Option D says parenchymatous cell. So parenchymatous cell is a type of ground tissue which is present in monocots as well as dicots. Hence option D is also ruled out. So according to the question, grafting is almost impossible in case of monocots because they lack cambium. So what is the answer? So let us conclude. So the final answer is they lack cambium. So option A is the right answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.